Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Myra. Today, we are going to be talking about a hidden gem that is found in most people's kitchen cupboards, but I'm sure they rarely think about it as a skincare powerhouse. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about the one and only canola oil. Now, before you scroll over to the next video, give me a sec. Just give me 5 minutes and I will tell you about the benefits of canola oil. First of all, not to be mistaken with rapeseed oil, canola oil, which is short for Canadian ola, canola, is low in uric acid, which means it does not cause the damage that its cousin, rapeseed oil, does. So now that we have canola oil and we know that it's low in uric acid, what does it do for the skin? How does it benefit the skin? Well, canola oil is high in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And what these are healthy fats that help to strengthen the skin's natural barrier, keeping moisture in and irritation out. It's also high in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. What this does is that it protects the skin from environmental stressors such as sun and wind damage, and also from free radicals such as smoking and pollution. Vitamin E also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and scars. Canola is light oil, it is non-greasy, and it doesn't clog pores, which means it is hypoallergenic. You can use it in DIY baby products. It's great for dry and sensitive skin. Canola makes a great moisturizer. How do we use it? We can use it to moisturize our skin on its own. If you have an essential oil, such as lavender, you can use that, or fragrance oil, and use it as a natural moisturizer on your skin. With peppermint and maybe orange essential oil, it makes a great hair oil. A nice gentle makeup remover. You can use it to remove your makeup. You can use it as a base in your body butter. What else do we use canola for? In your bath, to just create a warm, soothing experience and allow your skin to really soak up the moisture. So it is a great oil. It is a powerful oil. And the best part about this oil, it's economical. Listen, the price of oils, because I know, the price of oils, whether essential oils, fragrant oils, carrier oils, which are our seed oils, our avocado, our grape seed, all these oils, they're going up in price. Nothing is coming down, everything is going up, including canola oil. And right now, canola oil is a very economical oil. So try not to turn your nose up at it. Why? Because it's easy to find. It's an easy to find oil, and it's also a very versatile oil. I mean, if I haven't convinced you here, I don't know what else to say. But the next time you are looking for a very easy on the skin, versatile and economical oil to use in your DIY products, try canola oil. Until next time, bye.